I'm really grateful that you have agreed to, take out 1 hour for our students. I welcome all the students and all the experts of today's session. Yeah. The session is now open. You can unmute and ask any of the speakers, or you can ask in the chat box. It would be preferred if you unmute and ask because you will be able to convey it clearly, but only within 60 seconds your question should end up.
Yeah, even Shekhar Mishra has joined from
Oh,
Department of Pharmacy
okay, okay.
Practice.
Okay. We also have Shekhar Mishra from the Department of Pharmacy Practice who has joined the session as an expert. Welcome, Shekhar. All right.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Suman. Please go ahead with your query.
Okay, so sir, I got around 378 rank, and I'm from general category. So, and the list which was there at NIPER website, I have been through that list completely, and I figured out that there are 256 students who is above me, like who got rank better than me. So, the what is my question here is I wanted to get into NIPER MBA, whether it is Mohali or whether it is Hyderabad. I have some sort of interest in MBA. So, is there any chances that I can get that MBA, or should I just go for Cutics or Pology or something other for masters? Is there any chances, or should I go for counseling, or should I go for GD and PR round, or should I prepare the list for masters? So this is the question.
Any set of experts who would like to answer?
S-
Pratima.
uh, yes, what is your rank? Can you repeat once?
My rank is 378, but this time the form was like there was question which was asked by NIPER that if you want to opt for MBA or not. So there was some student who ticked yes, or there was some student who ticked no. So because of that reason, in spite of being 378 rank in NIPER, there are only 256 students who have better rank than me. Because around 112 or 113 student uh, didn't
Yes, I got your
yeah,
query.
I hope.
Um, getting in Nipal Mohali MBA is very difficult on your rank.
85% is what your merit you get, and 15% is only GDPI, right?
Prepare well. Yes. So if you prepare well for group discussion, okay, so your rank can fluctuate. It can come below your rank what you have right now. Okay. So I will suggest that you prepare now. If you're so much interested in MBA, you try to prepare for group discussion from right now. Okay. So जाने की तुम्हारा जो रैंक है वो जो तुम्हारा अभी 300 ऐसे फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है वो थोड़ा नीचे आ जाए ठीक है क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे एमबीए नहीं ज्वाइन मतलब एमबीए इसलिए नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाते हैं क्योंकि उनके पास फाइनेंशियल का प्रॉब्लम होता है और कुछ बच्चे वो कोर ब्रांचेस के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हैं जैसे फार्मास्यूटिक्स फार्माकोलॉजी तो वो बच्चे नहीं अगर नहीं लिए तो तुम्हारे चांसेस बन जाएंगे अगर तुम्हारी ग्रुप डिस्कशन में परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी होगी ओके तो मैं ये सजेस्ट करूंगी अगर तुम्हें इतना ही इंटरेस्ट है तो यू टिक ऑन यस ओके यू सिट फॉर बोथ द काउंसलिंग एमबीए एज वेल एज फॉर एमएस ऑल्सो ओके लेकिन नाइपर मोहाली में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है अगर तुमने ग्रुप डिस्कशन में अच्छा नहीं परफॉर्म किया तो इसी अगर यही रैंक रहा तो डिफिकल्ट है एमबीए मिलना बट हैदराबाद वगैरह में तुम ट्राई कर सकते हो ठीक है
Could you help me? What
यस
was last
Whoe-
year close? Hello,
Whoever is
hello,
asking the
ma'am.
question, start with your name, start with your category, start with your rank, and then please proceed with the question. A humble request. Whoever asks the question.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you tell me what was the last rank of last closing rank of MBA of last year? do you have that PDF of that rank? And
Uh, okay. Any expert would like to answer that? Trivendra, Meher, Shikhar, if we have information on
Hi,
that.
hi, Suman. Just look at the
hello, sir.
things. The what happens in the MBA is like actually there is a separate merit list for the MBA students and for the overall students. There are separate lists for, merit lists. So actually, to tell you what is the exact rank for the last student who got an MBA seat in the Naipur Mall is it's not possible because the merit list which Naipur provides for is after the GD and PI. So there is a separate merit list. It is not possible to tell what was exact the last rank of the student.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good
Yeah.
afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Ojasvi. Please go ahead with your
Sir,
question.
my name is Ujasvi and I am from journal category. My rank is was like Mohali, Hyderabad or Ahmedabad.
Any
Um,
experts? Yeah.
See, Ojashwi, your rank is 400 and you are in general category, right? So especially pharmacology and pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical analysis. Okay, so see, I getting in Naipur Mohali with this rank core branches is little difficult. Okay, but you can if you are you interested in medicinal chemistry,
No,
medchem.
ma'am, I'm not very much interested in it.
Okay. Getting in Mohali core branches is difficult, but you can try Ahmedabad or Hyderabad. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
but we can't confirm that you will get Hyderabad also. But try for Ahmedabad. With
Okay,
400
ma'am.
rank, you can get Ahmedabad. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. The next participant, Sakshi Rao. Please go ahead with your question. Sakshi Govind Rao.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all the faculty.
Faculty,
My name
experts.
is
None of us is
faculty
a
expert.
faculty. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, actually, my rank is 111, and I come from journal EWS. So I have actually three questions. First one is, like I saw the list of students in MBA, which have been called for group discussion. So I was wondering, like, why many of us with good ranks were not eligible, even though we chose as MBA an option if we had to take, but we weren't. But there was this line with the star mark that not applicable for MBA course. Can you explain that why that happened?
Well, if your rank was good, you should have been selected. I'm not sure. Did you select while filling the form that MBA? वहाँ पे एक option आता है tick करना check box.
Yes, sir. Actually, I checked it this morning and yesterday also. In my original form, there was this list of programs which was
Yes.
shown, which was
Yeah.
to which I was eligible, and the very first was the MBA.
I am not sure about this answer. Maybe some
Sir,
other
can
expert.
I answer this?
Yeah, please answer that. Who is it?
So the scorecard which you got there was written, right?
हाँ जी.
तो वहाँ पे जो है ना that is not the final scorecard. That's why it is written that this scorecard with this scorecard you can't get admission in MBA. GD and PI after you will be eligible. This is with this scorecard we can't take the admission. That is the meaning of that line there. It means you are eligible, but you can't use this scorecard to get the admission. Hope you I put my
So that means
Yes.
she is selected for
Unless and
GDPR.
until
Yeah.
you attend group discussion,
Hmm.
okay, that after group discussion, what will be your card that is eligible for MBA admission?
Okay,
As
so So that so the line does not mean that I am not eligible for GD. It just means that I have to give GD, and then the scorecard that will appear, that will be sort of a report card that whether I'll get MBA or not.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay, thank
yes,
you
that
very much.
final scorecard, that final merit list will.
And ma'am, my
Sir,
second
can
question
I
is,
say something?
Yes, you can proceed.
Please go ahead.
Sir, actually, the main issue is arising that I applied for MBA, but my name is not mentioned in that MBA list, shortlisted PDF
आपकी रैंक
in
क्या
that
है?
300 है.
तो होना चाहिए था, आपका नाम क्यों नहीं है फिर?
नहीं है सर, और सर बहुत से लोगों का नहीं है.
ओके, मैं एक काम करती हूँ, कल मैं जाके पता करती हूँ ऐसा क्यों हुआ है, ठीक है? और मैं ग्रुप में
ये
तुम्हें इंटीमेट कर दूंगी, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
एकेडमी, हाँ.
all right. The next participant that is supposed to ask the question is
Hello.
Aniket Patel. Yeah, go ahead, Vikas, with your question. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ,
Good afternoon, sir.
हो क्या? मैं तुम्हें इंट्रोड्यूस
And
करना है.
sir, my rank is 1435 OBC category.
ओके ओके.
तो सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मतलब कोर ब्रांच तो मुझे नहीं मिल पाएगी, पर नॉन कोर मुझे कोई भी नाइपर में मिल सकती है क्या इस रैंक पर?
Trivandrum, are you there?
Meher, Trivendra, or
Shekhar.
Shikhar. Any one of you? Because Shikhar Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Shekhar, can you reply to the query
हाँ,
of
Shubham.
Vikas?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, Vikas,
So-
can you
वो
repeat your
तो आउट
question?
हो गया है. चलो वो
So
फुल
that-
हो गया है. एक सेकंड रुक जाओ.
My
वो
question
किसी
is
को
that
निकालना पड़ेगा मुझे.
I have got 1435 रैंक इन नाइपर. सो मतलब
जल्दी.
मुझे कोई भी ऐसा नॉन कोर ब्रांच मिल सकती है इस ओबीसी कैटेगरी पर नाइपर में?
Hi, Vikas. Actually it is difficult to get any branches. I think in right for in 143 rank. It is very difficult to get in.
But you should try in the second or third phase of your counseling.
देखो तुम्हारा रैंक 1435 है ना, तो तुम्हें
जी,
देखो
मैम.
टॉप नाइपर,
हाँ जी मैम.
हाँ, तो तुम्हें देखो टॉप नाइपर्स तो नहीं मिलेंगे, ठीक है?
जी.
और तुम्हारी कैटेगरी कुछ है ओबीसी, राइट?
ओबीसी है. हाँ जी.
हाँ, तो टॉप नाइपर्स में मिलना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, ठीक है? लेकिन जो बॉटम नाइपर्स हैं, ठीक है, वो भी अच्छे हैं. अगर मतलब
जी.
प्लेसमेंट इतना अच्छा नहीं होता लाइक मोहाली एंड हैदराबाद, बट थोड़ी ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे रिसर्च अच्छी होती है, तो तुम वहाँ पे जा सकते हो इंस्टेड ऑफ प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस. यू कैन ट्राई ओवर देयर. ओके
मैम,
लाइक
चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में मुझे केमिस्ट्री मिल रही है.
हाँ.
तो अगर
Okay.
मुझे चांस मिलता है नाइपर और चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में से ऐसा चूज करने का, तो मतलब मैं किसको पहले प्रेफर करूं?
अगर तुम्हें देखो नाइपर हाजीपुर मिल रहा है, ठीक है, और चंडीगढ़ मिल रहा है, देन यू शुड गो विद चंडीगढ़. ओके.
ओके.
मुझे ना एक चीज, जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, ये आप लोगों को एक चीज याद रखनी चाहिए, ठीक है? डोंट सैक्रिफाइस योर ब्रांच, योर ड्रीम डोमेन फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी. अगर आपका गोल है पैसा, प्लेसमेंट, जो आजकल हर किसी का है, तो देन दैट्स ओके, आप ले सकते हो. बट अगर आपका रिसर्च है, या अगर आपका थोड़ा सा भी ये है ना दैट यू वांट टू बी इन द इंडस्ट्री, प्लीज डोंट सैक्रिफाइस. ये लास्ट फेज है. इसके बाद आप पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे, आप इसके बाद जॉब करेंगे. So this decides your fate, your future. So please don't take any decision कि भैया नाइपर ले लूं, जो मिल जाए वो. इस तरीके का mindset मत रखिए. Avoid, refrain from this. We also have one more expert, Shubham Pawar and Karthik Kosti from Naipar Hyderabad and Naipar Guwahati, who have joined. Welcome Shubham, welcome Karthik.
Thank you, Pam.
All right. We have a next question. We can answer. The next person to raise the hand, Aniket Patel. Aniket Patel, please go ahead with your question.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, expert. Myself Aniket Patel, and I am from OBC category, and my rank is 1333. Sir, can I get any Naipar and any branch?
1333.
Yes, Yes, sir.
देखो
1333.
Yeah,
अ,
Pratima.
अनिकेत, देखो अभी ना सब कुछ ये प्रोबेबिलिटी है, ठीक है? हम जो बता रहे हैं वो प्रोबेबिलिटी है, ठीक है? ये मत डिसाइड, हमारे प्रोबेबिलिटी पे ये मत डिसाइड करने का यही मिलेगा, क्योंकि देखो अब कैसा
Right.
होता है, हाँ, अब कैसा होता है, तुम्हारा रैंक सपोज 133 है, अब तुम्हारे नीचे वाले जो रैंक है, ठीक है, वो बच्चे नाइपर को प्रिफर कर रहे हैं, या वो बच्चे जैसे किसी ने बोला चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी लेना चाहिए, कोई डिप्सार ले प्रिफर करता है, ठीक है? इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन कि तुम्हारे नीचे कितने लोग क्या ले रहे हैं, पर तुम्हारा 133 रैंक है, तो तुम्हें नाइपर तो मिल ही जाएगा, मुझे जितना मैंने काउंट किया है इस साल का जो सिट मैट्रिक्स। लेकिन अगेन इट
Yes,
डिपेंड्स
ma'am.
ऑन द, यू विल गेट नॉन कोर ब्रांच, ठीक है, नॉन कोर
Yes,
मिलेगा
ma'am.
ये
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन अब काउंसलिंग में बैठो, ठीक है, और ट्राई करो जो तुम्हें पसंद है, जो ब्रांचेस पसंद है उसको ऊपर ही रखो, क्या पता तुम्हारा लक अच्छा हो, तुम्हारे नीचे वाले रैंक वाले छोड़ रहे हो नाइपर, क्योंकि इस बार बहुत पैसा बहुत नाइपर फंड भी नहीं कर रहा है ना बहुत ब्रांचेस को, तो उसकी
Yes,
वजह से
ma'am.
भी बच्चे नहीं प्रिफर करेंगे नाइपर, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, प्रोबेबिलिटी है, ठीक है? तो तुम नाइपर
Yes,
काउंसलिंग में बैठो, ठीक है, और तुम
yes,
जो
ma'am.
तुम्हें इंटरेस्ट है सब अप्लाई कर दो, सब नाइपर में अप्लाई कर दो, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
और कोई ना
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
कोई मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि इस बार नॉन फंडिंग भी है,
हाँ,
इसलिए
सेल्फ
ज्यादा
फंडेड
चांसेस
कोर्स है.
है।
Yeah.
हाँ, सो
Yes, ma'am.
Atharva Masurkar, your next question. You have 60 seconds. Please finish the question in 60 seconds itself. Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead, Atharv.
Hello, sir. Audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead with your question.
Hello, sir, and hello, everyone, experts present here. So, sir, I got my rank is 199, and sir, I am from OBC NCL category. So, I just wanted to ask, I just want Naipar Mohali, and I want any like non-course subjects like informatics or clinical research. Can I get that?
हाँ, 199 है तो मिल ही जाएगा, कोई इश्यू नहीं.
Shekhar, can you reply to this, because
Yeah,
you are from pharmacy practice
yeah,
department, right?
non-core, so he would be answering
Non-core.
that. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I can. So actually, last year the last person who get the seat of informatics was I think 157 rank, and for clinical research it was around 2 to 1 or something, 2 to 1 or something, and in pharmacy practice it was 274 of OBC category. So on 190 rank, it is highly possible that you will get a seat in non-core branch.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. The next question, you can go ahead with the question.
Sir?
Tuhi Jana. Please go ahead with your question.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to all the experts out here. So I have two questions actually. First is based on the core subjects, and second based on MBA, Pharma MBA. So
Okay.
my rank is All India rank 80, and general category. So my first subject preference is pharmacology from Naipar Mohali, second medicinal chemistry, followed by Ceutics, and then pharmaceutical analysis at Naipar Mohali, then Naipar Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. So is there any chance to get these subjects in the top tier Naipars?
Hello, Tuhin Jana, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I'm Tridevendra from pharmacology in Hypermole itself. So last year the closing rank for pharmacology was 96. So there are like almost 100% chance that you'll be getting Hypermole. But this time 3 seats are less than previous year. Previous year we had like 25 seats, but this year we have 21 seats. But still there are more than 90% chance that you'll be here in Hypermole next month.
That's amazing. I hope that answers your question well and crisp. MBA के लिए जाओ यार,
Okay,
तुम्हारा
sir.
80 रैंक है, तुम GDPI दो, आराम से तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. 100 सीटें हैं MBA की, बट डिपेंड्स कि तुम्हें मार्केटिंग में जाना है या रिसर्च में. देन सिलेक्ट वाइजली. तुम्हें
Sir,
दोनों मिल जाएगा.
actually, I was having a doubt on that as well. That means I was
Nobody can
actually
clear your doubt. It is into you. You need to introspect कि आप अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हो after 5 years. No third person should manipulate you or influence your future goals. You have to identify, do you like being into business development, product management, consultancy, forecasting, competitive intelligence, or do you like being in the lab, you like doing F&D, R&D, QA/QC, analytical fields. So it's only up to you. Scope और पैसा हर एक उसमें होता है. I was from non-core, my package was 14 LPA. बट ऐसा नहीं है, कुछ नहीं होता कि नो कोर ब्रांच में पैसा नहीं है, एमबीए में पैसा है, हर जगह पैसा है. स्किल्स होगी तो पैसा पीछे आएगा, माय डियर. यू मस्ट हैव स्किल्स एंड
Okay,
पैशन.
sir.
ओके, या अंबिका शर्मा, माय डियर. Ambika Sharma, kindly unmute, my dear.
Good afternoon, sir, and all the
Good
experts.
afternoon.
Myself, Ambika Sharma, and I am from general category. My rank is 12. And I just wanted to ask what the documents or the things that are needed to be carried during the GDPI. And also there is also one doubt कि जो एफिडेविट की बात हो रही है वो सिर्फ किसी कैटेगरी के लिए पर्टिकुलर है या सबको एफिडेविट बनवाना है, और बनवाना है तो उसका क्या फॉर्मेट है, एंड द सेम रिगार्डिंग मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट की उसका क्या फॉर्मेट वगैरह है.
Shekhar Trivendra Pratima, ma'am, if you all can take up that.
Trivendra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
ये एफिडेविट का इन्हें बता दो.
मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट और एफिडेविट का ये अंबिका जी को बता दीजिए.
So as per last year, we were not told to like bring the affidavit because the like counseling was offline only. So I have no idea about the affidavit. And regarding that medical certificate, there will be annexure as I'm having it. This is my last year's
I have
medical certificate. So like medical certificate, you have to apply in your government hospital, that is district government hospital, and get it signed by the medical officer itself. And that will work. Like there is no such specifications like
उत्कर्ष दोबारा ज्वाइन करो. उत्कर्ष
make
दोबारा
certificates
join
in
कर लो.
that format only. So
एक मिनट में.
this is about the medical certificate, and we had not applied for the affidavit. So I have no idea about that. If someone else can answer to this question.
देखो तुम्हारे जो नाइपर मोहाली की जो वेबसाइट है काउंसलिंग की, ठीक है,
Yes,
उसमें
ma'am.
उन्होंने एनिक्सर करके नाम दिया है, राइट?
Okay.
एनिक्सर्स है, ठीक है. तो उस एनिक्सर में अंडरटेकिंग कुछ अंडरटेकिंग के वो हैं, ठीक है. वो तुम्हें वैसे कि जैसे जिस फॉर्मेट में दिया है उसको वैसे ही फिल कर लो, ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, वैसे फिल कर लो. और कहीं कहीं पे अगर लिखा है कि स्टैम्प दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड इन स्टैम्प, ठीक है, तो वो उसी चीज को बोलते हैं एफिडेविट. जहाँ पे से लिखा है ना कि नोटरी में जाके स्टैम्प नहीं लगवाते हैं, वो अगर लिखा है तो उसको एफिडेविट बनवाओ. नहीं लिखा है तो सिंपल उसका प्रिंट आउट लो, उसको फिल करो और अपने पास रख लो, ठीक है. और जब तुम्हारा ऑनलाइन है ना तो तुम उसको पीडीएफ बना के क्लियर, उसका इमेज क्लियर आना चाहिए. एक चीज मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, तुम ऑनलाइन में बैठ रहे हो तो तुम्हारी जो भी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है तो उसकी क्लियर कट फोटो होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि ब्लड इमेजेस ब्लर्ड हो रहे हैं या ऐसे, ये सब मत करना, ठीक है. तो
Okay.
जो भी एनेक्सर्स है उसको फिल कर लो. और जब तुम काउंसलिंग में बैठोगे ऑनलाइन, अगर वो मांग रहे हैं तो डालो, नहीं मांग रहे तो मत रखो. बट इट इज बेटर दैट बी प्रिपेयर्ड बिफोर इटसेल्फ, ठीक है.
ओके मैम. और मैम जीडीपीआई के लिए कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स या कुछ क्या लेके जाना है, ऐसा कुछ है या उसमें सिर्फ ऐसे ही जाना है?
My dear,
GDPI,
GDPI में जब आप जाते हो, I'll answer that after that he can.
Yes, ma'am,
GDPI में my dear जब
कैन
आप
यू
जाते
आंसर
हो,
हर क्वेश्चन? ग्रुप डिस्कशन के रिलेटेड के समय कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वगैरह लेके जाना होता है?
नो मैम, ग्रुप डिस्कशन के टाइम पे कुछ जरूरत नहीं लगता है.
But
And-
I think I will suggest you to carry the basic documents, that is your Aadhaar card and like your original mark sheets for 10th and 12th and your B.Pharm.
yeah, Utkarsh
Because
scorecard, yeah, scorecard as
sometimes,
well.
yes, sometimes they ask for the original documents because in our counseling, some of the students weren't carrying the original documents, so they were stuck for a moment. So then they have to show their DigiLocker's ID. So I'll suggest you to carry your mark sheets, your Aadhaar card, and the basic documents that your printed scorecard for your NIPER JE. That will work.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
And एक डायरी लेकर जाना, my dear. It's very important that you carry a diary and a pen. जब आप जाते हो, it shows a professionalism that you are well prepared. ताकि group discussion के जो topic आपको देते हैं, they give you 5 minutes to list down, so you can enlist the points. और जब सामने वाला कोई कुछ बोल रहा होता है, if you want to intervene, आप उसके point का counter लिख सकते हो. तो डायरी लेकर जाना, और ऐसे कोई भी डायरी नहीं, थोड़ी सी प्रोफेशनल, which is वो आई डोंट नो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, if somebody can help me out with that word, जो वो प्रॉपर वाली, उत्कर्ष तुम्हें पता होगा उसका नाम, हमने डिस्कस करा था एक बार, वो वाली डायरी लेकर जानी है जो प्रॉपर वाली आती है, वो नवनीत ववनीत की नहीं, है ना? मेक श्योर यू कैन डू दैट इफ दैट्स पॉसिबल एट योर एंड.
Okay,
Okay.
और
thank you.
फॉर्मल्स, और ट्राई करना
हाँ
फॉर्मल्स पहन के जाने के लिए,
करेक्ट.
क्योंकि एमबीए में फर्स्ट थिंग होता है ग्रूमिंग, दे सी योर ग्रूमिंग एंड दिस थिंग, सो दैट आल्सो हैज स्कोर. ओके, सो
Okay,
go in that
okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one more question.
yes.
Ma'am, as I told you about my rank, which is 400, so should I go for Naipur Guwahati, or should I go for non-funded one, which is in Mohali?
Utkarsh, are you there?
Utkarsh
Yes, yes,
Sharma.
ma'am.
Yeah, so
Yes,
Utkarsh
yes.
Sharma is another expert from pharmacy practice. I forgot to introduce him, from Naipur Mohali. Utkarsh, please go ahead and answer the question.
Sorry, your voice is breaking. Just repeat the question.
Sir, my rank is 400.
Okay.
So I am from journal category and I am interested in analysis. So should I go for like Naipur Ahmedabad Guwahati, or should I go for non-funded seat which is introduced in Mohali this year? The three seats are there.
So my first question is to you, like you are like interested in placements or going for the PhD? Like,
I'm interested in placement.
so you should go for the Mohali then. Like
Okay, sir.
for the placement scenario, Naipur Ahmedabad is analysis is also good, but like Mohali is still far better. If we like if you have not have the subject choice.
One more thing I want to add on this, and if you are capable enough to pay your fees, like there is 2,000, I think 2,000 and 2,80,000 rupees fees, and you have to pay mess fees also. That is 3,500 or something per month. And if you are capable enough to pay, then you can go for the Naipur Mohali.
Okay, thank you very much, experts. Next question, Shamant Kotari. Please go ahead with your question quickly. Shamant Kotari. All right. Next person, Garima Singh. Please go ahead with your question. Garima
Good
Singh.
afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please go ahead.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, you're audible. Please go ahead with your question, my dear.
Sir, I'm from a general category. My rank is 148, and I have two questions. My first question is, will I able to get Kuloji in Mohali, or I should go for Hyderabad? Or my second question is, should I go for regulatory toxicology in Mohali? And what is the difference between the placement offers in the regulatory branch and the pharmacology branch?
Okay, PCRT se we have Trivendra Nath, who would be the best person to answer this. Trivendra, if you can answer about this question.
Yes. So Garima, at your rank that is 148, there are very less chances that you will be getting pharmacology at Naipur Mohali, but there are like more than 90% chances that you will be getting an RTC, that is regulatory toxicology. And talking about the placement scenario, so there is no difference in the placement of pharmacology and regulatory toxicology at Naipur Mohali. All the like PCRT department is considered as one department for the placement, so there won't be any differences. And talking about what difference is actually there, so there will be difference in like some of the courses curriculum in the second semester, and your lab works will be like domains will be different. But for placement point of view, there is no such difference. So like if you want to opt for placement, so you can take RT also. But for pharmacology seats, there are less chances. And if you want to continue with the pharmacology only, so you can go for Naipur Hyderabad also.
That's very well answered. I hope that's clear, my dear Garima. Next up, we have Gauri Patil. Gauri Patil.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, somebody.
Sir, Shamant here, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, myself Shamant. I'm from Karnataka. So I belong to OBC category and my rank is 430. So I wanted to know that if I have a chance in pharmacoinformatics in Mohali, or else pharmacology of pharmaceutics in Ahmedabad or Hyderabad.
Anyone?
Utkarsh, are you there?
Yes.
Can you answer him?
Like getting pharmacoinformatics in Mali is like quite difficult, but you can go to Hyderabad and if you have like subject choice.
Like
Hyderabad.
pharmacology of pharmaceutics in Hyderabad or Ahmedabad, is it possible?
Hyderabad is
Yeah.
quite difficult, dear. Okay, you should go with, I think, Ahmedabad.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
Shubham sir. So Shubham sir is from Naipur, Hyderabad. So that's why I think so. You
I think
should
you
take
have to
up those
try for
works.
Ahmedabad.
Pharmaceutics, is it possible in Ahmedabad?
Yeah, definitely.
At my rank?
Ah,
Okay.
almost 400 cutoff was there.
430, I belong to OBC category.
Yeah, you will get. Try for Sutix and, if possible, analysis also.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right. Next, Gauri Patil, please go ahead with your question. Okay. Next, Anjali, please go ahead with your question. Anjana. Kinchal Keshav, please go ahead with your question.
Hello, sir. Am I
Sir,
audible to you?
Yes, you're right. Kinchal after, yeah, Anjana, please go ahead.
Sir, myself, I'm Anjana, and I'm from Kerala, from the south part of India.
Okay.
And I have secured a rank of 209 in the NIPER 2026. And my question is, would I be able to get into Hyderabad for MS Pharmaceutics with my rank? If not, what are the other options I have in core pharma subjects?
Pratima ma'am, if you can assign someone to take up the question.
Trivendram, are you there? Trivendra, Meher. Meher, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer her question?
Do you specifically want to go for NIPER Hyderabad? Because in your rank, you can get a seat in NIPER Mohali as well.
The main thing is Mohali is quite far from South India. So, and I have heard that Hyderabad is also a very nice college and also belong to the top tier NIPERs. And that's why I'm much focused on Hyderabad. But Mohali is also a nice college, but I'm focusing on Hyderabad mainly. So, would I be able to get into pharmaceutics with my rank, which is 209?
Yeah, definitely, dear. Actually, last year cutoff was 250. So according to that, there are quite chances to get into that.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
And also one
And what about
advice
the
to
place?
all the participants, never think of choosing a nearby college. If you're getting better opportunities, move out of comfort zone, step out. Okay, आपको कुछ पाने के लिए दूर जाना पड़ता है. It's just a matter of 1 to 2 years, you'll be back home after that, but the career that you will build and the knowledge that you will get would be incomparable. Right? So please never have that mindset कि मुझे घर के पास चाहिए. नहीं, हर चीज घर के पास नहीं हो सकती, थोड़ा सा दूर जाना पड़ेगा. Yeah, you were asking some continuing question. Anjana, please go ahead with that.
Yes, sir. I was asking about the placements there for pharmaceutics branch.
Shubham, if you can answer, Shubham sir, that would be great.
बहुत एक्चुअली लास्ट ईयर के हिसाब से अगर देखें तो बहुत बढ़िया प्लेसमेंट है सुटिक्स के रिगार्डिंग. ठीक है, तो प्लेसमेंट के रिगार्डिंग आपको कुछ वरी होने की एज सच कुछ मुझे नीड नहीं लगता है. तो आप जा सकते हो सुटिक्स के लिए, हैदराबाद के लिए.
Next,
sir.
Next question, we have Gauri Patil. Are you there?
Hello, yes, sir.
Please go ahead with your question.
Good afternoon. My name is Gauri Patil. My rank is 390. I belong to general EWS category. My first question is, will I able to get Sutix branch in top 3 NIPERs?
Shubham, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Reply to her question.
Can you repeat once again, dear? Can you?
Yes, sir. My rank is 390. I belong
Okay.
to general EWS category, and my preferred
Okay.
department is physics from top 3 Nipers.
It's little bit difficult to get into Hyderabad. You should have to try for Ahmedabad.
Okay, sir. My
Okay.
next question is,
Ahmedabad.
will I able to get any non-core branches in Mohali as well?
Yeah. Mohali. Okay.
Utkarsh, are you
You
there?
can continue.
Utkarsh? He's not.
Shikhar
Utkarsh
Mishra.
is there?
Shikhar, are you there, Shikhar?
He's also not there.
Yes,
Devendra?
sir.
Yeah, Shikhar.
Yes.
Please answer if she has a chances of non-core in Naipur Mohali.
On 390 rank, I think it is difficult to get non-core branches as well because the last year the closing rank was around 274 of pharmacy practice. It was the last person to get a non-core seat in Naipur Mall.
You can get natural product and this type of subject.
You can go for natural product or traditional medicine, but not non-core like pharmacoinformatics and pharmacy practice and clinical research. It is difficult to get, but you can also offer the
Regulatory
self-finance
affairs.
courses. Self-finance courses you can
Okay,
go for.
okay, sure. Also, I have another question. The same question which was repeated before, that I have not been selected for the MBA. In the merit list
Okay,
release.
this as Pratima ma'am told that she will address this because this is a really concern. अगर इतनी अच्छी rank आके भी नहीं हुए, then there is either some mistake in the documents or there's mistake from some side. We cannot comment on that. It's administrative. But tomorrow Pramita ma'am will try that she will convey to
I
you on
will
the
I will clear this doubt
Yeah.
of MBA to academic fair dean, and then I will get back to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
was all my questions. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Thank you very much. Hope it's got resolved. Next, we have Kinchal Keshav. Kinchal Keshav, please ask your question.
Hello. Sir, I'm in a bit of hurry. Can I ask my question a bit earlier, please?
Everybody's in a bit of hurry, but okay, go ahead. Please ask your question.
Good afternoon. My name is Deepak, and my category is general, and my rank is 69. So I want to ask about the informatics branch. How are the placement of the
Either
informatics
your
branch
voice is
and
breaking or
what
I'm not able to hear.
No, sir,
breaking, dear.
voice is breaking.
Okay, voice is breaking. Please type your question. Who was in a hurry? जो भी hurry में है, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Okay, we'll answer it. आपका नाम भी लिख देना कि I'm in a hurry और फिर question लिखना. Kinchal Keshav. Kinchal Keshav, quickly ask your question. Okay, not available. Manan Gajjar. Manan Gajjar, please ask your question.
Hello, good afternoon,
Good
sir and
afternoon.
everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please go ahead with your question, my dear.
Sir, I got 230 rank in OBC category. I want to go for pharmacology in Mohali or Hyderabad. So should I get in chance?
Shubham, if you can answer
What rank?
that.
What rank, dear? Can you repeat? Rank.
230.
Yeah, definitely we will get. Which
Mohali
category
or
will you get?
Hyderabad?
Nice
OBC.
for Hyderabad. OBC, yeah, definitely we will get. Definitely.
In Hyderabad, yeah, or Mohali?
In Hyderabad only.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. The next question, Siddhi Pednekar. Siddhi Pednekar, please go ahead with your question.
Good afternoon to all. I'm Siddhi Pednekar from categories General EWS. My rank is 544. So, sir, is there any chance that I will get core subject at NIPAT Ahmedabad?
Unfortunately, we were supposed to have a guest from Ahmedabad, but there's some medical emergency. If someone can answer, Shikhar, Meher, Utkarsh, or Trivendra, are we available? Any of them?
Sir, about Naipur Ahmedabad, we don't have any idea.
Okay. No issues. My dear, you need to check off the LinkedIn. You can track any of the alumni, and maybe that would be helpful for you. Shubham, माहित आहे का तुला अहमदाबादचा कट ऑफ?
रैंक
Psychology
कितना है
साठी?
आपका? एक
544.
500 मुश्किल है, मुश्किल है। 450 के अराउंड होता तो पॉसिबल होता शायद। 400 to 450 near about Ahmedabad.
Okay. So, but for which subject you're talking about? Like that rank for Sutex or Ecology?
Ecology.
Okay.
Okay. Next question, Yashnul Dhillon. Yashnul Dhillon, are we here? No, we are not here. Payal Nirmalkar, are we here? No, we are
Yes,
not.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
please go ahead.
Good afternoन सर एंड मैम।
Yeah.
आई हैव क्वेश्चन कि मेरा रैंक जो है वो 1048 है और मेरे को मेनली सोटिक्स चाहिए था और मेन एम तो मेरा वैसे एमबीए था, बट मुझे नहीं लगता इस रैंक में तो एमबीए नहीं मिलेगा, ना मेरा नाम भी नहीं है। बट क्या मेरे को सोटिक्स मिल सकता है या एनी सब्जेक्ट क्या मेरे को कहाँ मिलेगा, मुझे जानना है।
देखो तुम्हारा रैंक 1000 प्लस है, राइट?
जी
तो
जी।
तुम्हारा कैटेगरी क्या है?
ओ सॉरी, ओबीसी।
ओबीसी है, ठीक है। तो तुम्हें देखो गुवाहाटी और रायबरेली तक तुम मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, ठीक है। लेकिन तुम ना रायबरेली में ट्राई कर सकती हो, बट सुटिक्स मिलना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर दिस रैंक। तुम्हारा ओबीसी रैंक क्या है? ओबीसी रैंक
मैम ओबीसी रैंक मैम, मैं ऐसे कैटेगरी वाइज तो मैंने नहीं देखा है। मैंने बस मेन जो आता है ना रैंक वाइज मैंने वही देखा है।
About 1000, the OBC rank might actually be around 420 to 450.
Then you can try for Raebareli or Guwahati Sutics or analysis. Okay.
ओके तो मैम एक ये सवाल था कि क्या जैसे कि ऐसा रहता है कि हर नाइपर में प्लेसमेंट अलग अलग रहता है और सिर्फ मोहाली में ही अच्छा प्लेसमेंट रहता है और अहमदाबाद हैदराबाद?
देखो एक्चुअली मोहाली और अदर नाइपर्स में डिफरेंस ये है कि मोहाली में ना जो भी कंपनीज आती है, ठीक है, वो मैक्सिमम ओपन फॉर ऑल कर देती है। मींस एवरी ब्रांच गेट इक्वल चांसेस टू सिट इन दैट एंड शो देयर टैलेंट। ओके, मैक्सिमम कंपनीज में ओपन फॉर ऑल कर देती है। बट अलग नाइपर्स में क्या होता है कि अभी सपोज आर&डी के लिए आया तो सिर्फ उसमें सुटिक्स और ये एलिजिबल है, ठीक है, ऐसा होता है। मतलब ओपन फॉर ऑल प्लेसमेंट नहीं होता है। शुभम, आर यू देयर?
हाँ, एक्चुअली जो नॉन कोर्स के लिए जो भी कंपनी आती है वो सब ओपन टू ऑल है, कोर के लिए स्पेसिफिक है बस।
तो मतलब इक्वली है, समझ लो। हैदराबाद, आप हैदराबाद के हो ना शुभम?
हाँ मैम, यस।
हाँ, तो हैदराबाद और नाइपर का एक ही है, बट पैकेजेस का थोड़ा वेरिएशन होता है।
हाँ,
ठीक
थोड़ा
है,
वेरिएशन।
हाँ थोड़ा बस।
तो मैम अच्छा आप प्लीज कंटिन्यू करिए।
हाँ, लेकिन अलग नाइपर्स में जैसे अहमदाबाद हो गया, हाजीपुर हो गया या गुवाहाटी हो गया, यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट थोड़ी ठीक नहीं है, ठीक है।
ओके मैम, क्योंकि अभी एट दिस टाइम हम यही सोचते हैं कि कोई सब्जेक्ट ले तो जो हमारे इंटरेस्ट का भी हो और उसमें प्लेसमेंट भी होना चाहिए। दैट्स ऑल वी थिंक अबाउट।
इंटरेस्ट होगा तो अपने आप प्लेसमेंट आ जाएगा माय डियर। अगर आपको पता होगा कि क्लिनिकल ट्रायल प्रोटोकॉल कैसे बनाना है तो आपको अपने आप सीआरसी सीटीए की पोजीशन आएगी। पैशन या मनी फॉलोज पैशन एंड इंटरेस्ट, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस माय डियर। चलिए, या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, साहिल घाटे। साहिल घाटे, आर यू अवेलेबल माय डियर? Sahil Ghate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead with your question.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Sahil, with OBC category. My rank is 581. So my question is that should I target non-core branch in Ahmedabad or core branch in Naipur, Guwahati? And one option is that I am also available to self-finance seats in Mohali. So what are the chances of getting self-finance at this rank 581?
See, what is your long-term goal? Like you want to go for higher studies or it is placement?
I am oriented towards placements, ma'am, more.
You're oriented towards placement, right? So I will suggest that if you're economically very good, okay,
Yes.
your financial is very good, then go with the finance in Mohali, okay?
I'm okay with that, ma'am. But what are the chances at this rank? Could you?
See, you are OBC category and your rank is
OBC
500. Yes, no?
581. 581.
581. So see,
Yes.
most probably, if other people, again it comes to probability.
Yes.
If the rank below your people, if they are not interested in finance, because many are not good in financial condition, okay, so they will
Yes.
prefer other NIPERs, most
Yes.
probably. Okay, so you have chances, but you will not get any core branches in Mohali, even with finance. Okay, so you can try non-core branches, like you can try for natural product, but again it depends that below your rank what other people are taking. So saying this is very difficult, but you can try for finance in Mohali if your long-term goal is placement. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And could you please tell about pharmacy practice from Naipur Guwahati? What's
So pharmacy practice at Naipur Guwahati is very good branch, because there is one faculty called Krishna Undela sir. Okay. So he is very renowned faculty in pharmacy practice. So it is very good, and their projects are also very good. Whatever projects they get in master itself, their projects are very good, and even the placements, last year placement was also good. Many of them got placed in Innomagine, but the package is very less. Like the package will average package is like 5.4, 5.5. But if again, as Pyam said, if you have to upskill yourself, okay, what we do is that now we are in pharmacy practice, we don't read about informatics. Now the world is digital, right? You are in any branch, you should also you should upgrade other skills also practically, like Python, and you should learn other skills so that you can get good package. Okay, and you can try from outside also. You can build a good connection, and if you have talent, you can sit from outside and you can get a good placement also. Okay,
with this
so
rank,
it's
is
all
it
about.
possible to get in Naipur Guwahati pharmacy
Yes,
practice?
yes, for sure. Yes, yes.
For sure. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Uh, so remaining people, whoever have query, you can unmute yourself and you can ask.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yashnood, hello this side, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, you are
Yashnood, hello
audible.
this side, ma'am.
Hmm? Any one of you speak so that we can hear your question so clearly, so that we can answer.
Ma'am, I'm Yashnood Hillo. I belong to general category.
Hmm?
My rank is 94.
Okay. Hmm?
तो मैम मेरी एक क्वेरी थी कि नाइपर मोहाली में कितने % चांसेस है कि मुझे कोलोजी मिल जाए, मतलब कोलोजी मुझे ऑप्ट करनी है, तो मतलब कितने % चांसेस हैं कि मुझे मोहाली मिल जाए?
Okay. Trivendram, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
So can you answer a question?
So your rank is 94, right?
हाँ जी.
And what's your category?
General.
General. So last year for Kolochi, it was 96 closing rank. So there are chances that you'll be getting Naipur Mohali, but this year there are 4 less seats. Like previous year it was 25 and this year it is 21. But still there are more than 95% chances that you'll be end up getting Kolochi at Naipur Mohali. So yes, you can get, but no one can say surely. Yes, there are high chances.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Or remaining people who has doubt.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
जूही
Yes. Yes.
मैम मुझे एक डाउट था कि सुटिक्स मेरी रैंक 740 है और मैं ईडब्ल्यूएस कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करती हूँ, तो मुझे एक डाउट था कि सुटिक्स और एनालिसिस मुझे किस नाइपर में मिल सकती है?
देखो, तुम्हारा रैंक 740 है और तुम EWS से हो, राइट?
यस यस मैम.
You can try like Hajipur, you can try Raebareli, you can try Guwahati. Okay.
एंड मैम हैदराबाद और अहमदाबाद में मुझे कौन सी ब्रांच मिल सकती है?
देखो, अभी ना एक नया कोर्स ओपन हुआ है रेगुलेटरी अफेयर्स करके, अगर तुमने
यस
ब्रोशर
मैम.
देखा होगा,
हाँ.
राइट?
यस मैम.
सो मतलब देखो, अभी ना इस टाइम पे कोई बता नहीं सकता है कि तुम्हें यही ब्रांच मिलेगा,
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
यही
Yes,
इस रैंक पे यही मिल सकता है, तो यू कैन ट्राई फॉर न्यू कोर्सेज जो मतलब अलग अलग नाइपर्स में आए हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को एक्सप्लोर उनको नहीं पता होता ये नए कोर्सेज के बारे में, तो वो प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं, तो तुम्हारे रैंक पे क्या पता मिल जाए, बट अगेन टॉप नाइपर्स में मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, ठीक है।
Yes, okay. Yes. Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, you can
My
ask
rank
your
was
question.
hello. My
Yes,
rank
yes.
was 127 from OBC category. Can I get Niper Ahmedabad in a natural products?
127. Your rank is 127.
1276.
1276. And category?
OBC.
OBC. It's very difficult to get. But again, I will say you try, but it is difficult to get. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Shubham Sharma. Shubham Sharma, any question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
My rank is 266, and sir, in EWS category, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I want to ask, sir, whether I can get the pharmacology, toxicology, or regulatory toxicology in Naipur Mohali, or is there any chances in Hyderabad also?
Shubham Trivendram, are you there? Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you repeat
Answer.
your rank?
266 in EWS category.
There are very few chances of getting any pharmacology or regulatory toxicology in hypermally, because for pharmacology it was 96 and for regulatory toxicology it was around 190. So there are very less chances in hypermally, but you can definitely get in Hyderabad.
Yeah, definitely. You can try for Hyderabad.
Only Hyderabad. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Is there any courses which are similar to?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is there any courses which are similar to pharmacology and toxicology, like interdisciplinary branches in Mohali?
The second branch is regulatory toxicology itself, and both works under the Department of Pharmacology only. So apart from these pharmacology and regulatory toxicology, none of the branches are similar.
Okay, sir.
Jyoti
Thank you,
Kumari. Jyoti Kumari, please go ahead with your question, my dear.
Yes, sir. Sir, my rank is 960 from जनरल कैटेगरी एंड मुझे सूटिक्स चाहिए था, तो कौन से नाइपर से मुझे लाइक मिल जाएगा?
तुम्हारा रैंक क्या है? 976.
966 मैम.
966 और नाइपर हाजीपुर में तुम्हें मिल जाएगा सुटेक्स. नाइपर हाजीपुर also you try, नाइपर रायबरेली also you can try. Okay.
मैम.
Okay.
कैटेगरी क्या है? कैटेगरी
मैम जर्नल.
हाँ, तो यहीं पे तुम ट्राई करो, रायबरेली, हाजीपुर, गुवाहाटी भी ट्राई करो, बट डिफिकल्ट है गुवाहाटी में मिलना. ठीक है.
I would like to add something like
Okay, ma'am.
to all the participants having ranks after 300, 400, but still I would like to suggest you to keep the better snipers in your priority list above to the other snipers, because you do not know who one is getting or not. So I think you must keep your priority based on the Sniper Mohali, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, like this only, because this time the seat matrices has been changed and many of the seats are non-funded also. So many of the students will avoid taking snipers who are not they have good rank but they are not financially stable. So I'll suggest you to keep your priorities according to the sniper itself, and you'll end up getting the seat what you deserve.
Yeah. Yash Jadhav. Yash Jadhav, very well said, Trivendra. Yash Jadhav, go ahead with your question quickly, my dear.
Hello, sir. So I have asked the question that
Achha.
would I get a chance in
Okay.
medical device Mohali at 180 rank?
Okay, it's answered already, right?
Yes, ma'am
Okay.
said yes, you have a chance.
Dhanashri Guram. All right. Dhanashri Guram, please go ahead with your question. Dhanashri Guram.
Yes, sir. I have already asked
Okay,
that my rank is 146. I want
ठीक है.
analysis in Naipur Mohali. So
Okay,
they
okay.
said yes, I have definitely have
Okay.
chances.
Anjali Singh. Anjali Singh, quickly go ahead with your question. Not available. Shubham Tangwal. Shubham Tangwal, quickly go ahead with your question.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, go. Is this Anjali?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead with your question.
सर मेरा रैंक 735 है। मुझे मतलब कि इंफॉर्मेटिक्स मोहाली से या फिर पीपी कहीं से मिल सकता है?
तुम्हारा कैटेगरी क्या है?
ओबीसी।
ओबीसी है। देखो पीपी तुम्हें गुवाहाटी से मिल सकता